What's up, everybody? So I'm gonna have a really exciting day today. I'm gonna see my friend Marissa. I haven't seen her in so long. Here's baby Bella chilling. She's sunbathing. Are you a sweet little girl? You'd like to get your belly rubbed. Oh, she doesn't want her belly rubbed this time. So cute, huh? Yep. Anyways, so I haven't seen Marissa in like over a year, I think, or so, pretty much since Michael and I started dating. Not the reason why we stopped hanging out. There was other things, just busy and stuff like that. Anyway, I'm gonna meet with her. She actually now has established herself to be a vegan. She was vegetarian majority of when I knew her, but I guess now she's gonna be vegan, which vegan is basically meaning, so vegetarian means no face, so like no meat, but vegan is meaning that as well as processed animal products, so like cheese. So she's gonna have to eat like rice cheese, and she can't drink milk obviously, so she's gonna drink like almond milk, things like that. But I found a place called Jam at the Hawthorne. Let's set my stuff done down here real quick before I put some shoes on. So I found a place called Jam at the Hawthorne, which is on kind of in the area where we want to go to, and they're vegetarian, vegan, and regular person, that's me, type of brunch place. So that works out because we want to go kayaking. We both have never done it, and we were thinking of places where to go, and we decided, or one of her friends just suggested Rooster Rock, and I was like, Marissa, that's a nude beach, can't do that. And she's like, wow, yeah, I didn't know that. So she's never been to Sandy River. That's like one of my favorite places, so we're gonna do that. It's gonna be a really exciting day. Yeah, I'm gonna go get my water socks before I head out, because I don't like going in river areas or anything like that without them. These are my water socks. Sorry, it's not really focusing. Come on. Okay, well, I'm sorry. But yeah, this is like my excess shoe rack at home in the garage. Oh wow, I didn't realize how blurry this is until I just started looking at it. Anyway, that's my bin for the day. Sorry, I had to wipe the camera lens. I didn't even know it was that blurry, but all right, I'm gonna head out. I need one of those stands. So nice today, I'm excited. Speaking of my car keys, these are my new ones because I lost my other set a while ago. Anyways, all right, heading out. Guess who I'm with now? Hey! Marissa! On our way to brunch at a vegan, vegetarian, and a place that I can eat as well because it has regular people food. How excited are you to go kayaking?
Very.
It's been a long time since I've seen her.
Too long.
Yes. Now we're going towards the tunnels. And I'm using my old camera, so it's gonna be really pixelated, but I don't care.
That's what editing's for.
Yes. Arrived, and I ordered the special, and Marissa got some like chai blueberry pancakes with some fake meat tempeh stuff. Are you excited for your meals? Oh my god. And then we also got blood orange mimosas. It's gonna be lit. How to ride this. Sit up. Ramp. We have to do it on the dock.
Yeah, but these are the docks, right?
Yeah. So I'm making Marissa drag by herself now. I can't believe we're doing this still. We almost went and got Marissa a cat instead.
You know, is this where we go?
Oh, music.
Can we use the dock or do we like go here?
You can do it on the dock, I think.
You gotta jump into the water though instead of, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, I don't know.
Cool.
All right, we're all locked up. Yeah.
Here we go. Dude, I'm scared.
You can do it.
Well, here we go.
All right. So I guess we put it in the water and then I go in first and then you come on, right?
I feel like at the back might have to go first, right?
Okay.
I don't know.
Sure. We got into the boat. So today was super fabulous and I forgot to record that Marissa and I ended up going to Sherwood and so she could go look at this calico cat that was available for adoption because she lost, one of her cats passed away this year. Her name was Cleo and she was super sweet and she was also a calico. So Marissa saw an ad for one named Maui. Anyways, we get there, the cat was already adopted because we finished kayaking around 3:45 or so. So we get there, but she ends up finding one that she really loved and she put it on hold and she's gonna go see it tomorrow. I'm home now. It's about 9:03 if you can see. So I'm gonna try and make dinner for Michael because he hasn't even gotten home yet and he's been working all day, and yeah, that's one of the hardest parts about our relationship is that he works a lot. Anyways, yeah. Actually I decided I'm gonna film myself. I'm gonna be doing a Hello Fresh kiwi salsa and steak fajitas. So HelloFresh is a food subscription that you pay each week and they give you fresh ingredients. So this one is the kiwi salsa steak fajitas and they come in a refrigerated like package. So there's ice and there's everything. This bathroom has a light on and I don't know why. I'm gonna turn that off. So yeah, each recipe has its own bag. So this one, I'm just gonna take out the ingredients real quick. Really exciting. Since Michael loves. There's a lime, bell pepper, tomato, red onion. And whoa, other stuff. I dropped this. Oh, look, baby Bella. You want this paper bag? She loves paper bags. Wanna go inside the Hello Fresh paper bag? Who's a cutie? Who's my cutie? Hi! She's so cute. How old are you now, Bella? You're 8 years old. Okay, so, and it's really simple. So you get the printout with directions and then it goes over the ingredients that you need so you can make sure that you got everything before you start. And then it tells you like the sneak peeks, the items you need, and then there's all of these. So yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna film this because I need both hands. So I have gone through and cut all my ingredients. So I'm just gonna start with showing you that I cut these red onions. This section is 2 tablespoons of minced. I wasn't sure exactly, like, so I actually took an actual tablespoon to make sure I did it right. The rest of the red onions, they had to be cut. I believe these will be grilled like a fajita. They said to cut the scallions and separate the white and the green, so that's what I did. tomatoes here, bell peppers sliced. They also said in directions to zest some limes, and then once you're done to cut them in half. Next, I'm gonna be cutting this kiwi. So the next step is to make the kiwi salsa. So I've already done that, and since I've chopped everything, I'm just gonna read the directions to do what's next. So in a medium bowl along with tomato. So let's grab all the tomatoes. I'm gonna try and do this left-handed. To the bowl. Yeah. There. Oh, one of the sprinklers in the neighborhood is going haywire. I can hear it. Alright, so that's the last bit of that. And then next is the zest. So I'm just gonna throw that in there. It's kind of messy. Right, and then the next thing is to juice a lime. I can hear Michael coming home. He's opening up the garage. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Alrighty, and then after I juice the lemon, add some scallions and the minced onions. And you may want to use, it says, you may want to use less onion to taste. Toss the combined salt, season with salt and pepper. Okay, and I guess this is the salsa. Right, and then the next, it's telling me to cook the beef and then stir fry the veggies and then blister the beans. Okay, so, alrighty, I'm gonna take this and try and squeeze the rest of it with both hands. I've made the salsa now and I finished cooking the meat. Now it's time to grill the veggies. I'm gonna bring that over here. I'm gonna put these into here and make some of the stir fry. Put the bell peppers in there now, and the rest of the onion. Make sure I break them up. Oh. And guess he's home. Say hi. Aw, he's so tired. He's drinking a juice pack. How dead are you? Oh, your eyeballs are so raccoony. You can tell that you're wearing goggles. Aww. And put some of the scallions in. I think I'm supposed to save some of that for the beans, so in they go. And then if I can somehow of course, when you're cooking, you always want to add a little bit of pepper. I like to do a little extra. And always salt and pepper. Some salt. I like to use this kind of stuff. It's the sea salt force. It's really good. It's really strong, so I put it in here and it lasts me forever. Alright, I just finished blistering the beans, and here's the finished product. I'm gonna make it for Michael, and then I'm gonna add it with this salsa. Alright, everybody, have a good night.